A very good morning, children. So, welcome to your science lab class 7, and we are studying the chapter respiration in the animals organisms. So, we are talking about respiration in us, and this is the chart for the human skeleton, right? So, I'll be showing you a lot many things. Be ready for it. And here we have the human skeleton. What I am implying here is, look at the rib cage, right? Look at the rib cage, and then I will take you to the, look, come over here. This is the skeleton. Do not worry, this is not the real skeleton. This is just a fabricated fiber one, right? So you can see it here. It has a rib cage, right? Now look here. This is the rib cage, and this is the nostril. This is the mouth. So if I show it to you from here, the air goes from here. You can see there is the windpipe here. This is the vertebral column, not that. This is the windpipe. वो यहाँ से जाती है. It's made of flesh, and the air passes. Excuse me. The air passes through the windpipe and reaches in the lungs. You can see it here again. This is a model of human torso. Right. Excuse me. So the person is breathing through the nostrils. The air is moving into the windpipe, and through the mouth, the air is moving into the windpipe. All right. The air is reaching pharynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, right? And these are the two lungs, and the heart protected by the rib cage, right? This is the rib cage. Inside it, you can see my hand. Inside it, the lungs and the heart are protected. Now, children, what happens when you inhale? When you inhale, this rib cage moves up and outward, and there is a layer abhi jo ki nahi hai. This is a skeleton only. He is looking that side. Okay, here look at my finger. There is a diaphragm, a membrane, and the diaphragm goes down. Suppose this is the diaphragm. Diaphragm goes down, rib cage moves upward and outward, and there is a space created in the chest cavity. The air fills in the lungs. Now the blood brings back the deoxygenated blood, right? And this is again diaphragm. It moves up and the rib cage comes down. What happened? It is squeezed, right? It is squeezed, and the air moves out through the nostril. We call it exhalation. So have you understood the inhalation and exhalation? Again I am repeating. Inhalation through the nostrils, through the mouth, reaches into the windpipe. Windpipe, again trachea, bronchi, bronchioles. These are the lungs, richly supplied with the blood vessels, and the gaseous exchange takes place through the process of diffusion, and the oxygenated blood moves into the body, moves towards the heart, and heart sends it to the different parts of the body. Now heart also collects the deoxygenated blood, and that blood comes into, देखो एक red है एक blue है. Red means oxygenated, blue means deoxygenated. मतलब lungs में ही ये gaseous exchange it is taking place. All right. Uh, we'll be studying about the circulatory system after this. So you will understand that how oxygenated and deoxygenated blood is transported in the body. Is that clear? So the rib cage is covering this. This is the rib cage. When you breathe in, when you breathe in, the air comes in, the rib cage move outward, the diaphragm goes downward, lot of space is created in the chest cavity, and the air fills in the lungs. आपने हमेशा बलून को स्क्वीज किया है ताकि उसकी हवा बाहर निकल जाए, है ना. आपके टॉयज भी जो ऐसे होते थे उनको आप स्क्वीज करते थे ताकि उनकी हवा बाहर निकल जाए. सेम थिंग इज डन बाय योर बॉडी ऑल्सो. द डायफ्राम मूव्स अप, द रिब केज गोज डाउन एंड द एयर गोज आउट. So this is how the process of inhalation and exhalation takes place, right? So I hope you had a good day today in the laboratory, and we'll be coming back here again for the next chapter or next lessons. All right? Thank you very much. Keep watching. Any doubt, please ask. I am here for all the solutions and doubt clearing, right? So till then, Mr. Skeleton, let him enjoy the view outside the window, and we shall study the respiration in organisms. All right, thank you very much.